Good afternoon, everyone. I am Antonika Vimalasena. Today, I would like to introduce you to Omega Line Ltd3, a significant player in the Calzedonia Group, which is leading European apparel group. Founded in 1987 by Mr. Sandro Vizino, the group is renowned for its brands, including Calzedonia, Intimacy, and Tesnizi. With a network of over 3,100 shops in more than 30 countries. Omega Line Ltd3, also known as Vaunia Apparels, is a servant factory under the Calzedonia Group. It was established in 2012 and is located in Borneo, Sri Lanka. This factory specialized in producing beachwear, t-shirts, leggings, and one-day use briefs, primarily catering of European market. The vision of Omega Ltd3 is to create the world where people can realize their full potential while catering for each other's environment. Their mission is demonstrated through their sustainable practices and educational programs. Key goals include maintaining sustainable product quality, enhancing employee skill, and improving internal efficiency. They aim to minimize defect and continuously improve quality to meet customer requirements. Omega Line Ltd3 has three main functions. First one is import. They import fabric trims, and other materials essential for production. Approximately 70% of raw materials are imported. Second one is production. With over 1,500 operators, this department uses various machinery to create garments with a focus on beaches, t-shirts, and leggings. The last one is export finished garments. All finished garments are exported to the Calzedonia Group, managed by the stores and purchasing and shipping departments. In summary, Omega Line Ltd3 is a vital part of the Calzedonia Group, contributing to the production of high quality apparel for the European market and exemplifying sustainable and efficient practices. Thank you for your attending. Next, Vinija will continue the presentation.
The current status of the Omega Line 3. A lot of imports that are made by the Omega Line Limited 3 factory, for an example, fabric, threads, needles, lace, elastic, and more than 70% of goods were imported from other countries. There are many suppliers in other countries. Mainly, they get the goods from the Calcedonia Group. Are the main suppliers are Thermotex, Thai Acadia. They export mainly to the Italy, Switzerland via shipping and airlines. This is the current process of the organization. And throughout the process and the analysis, we sort out some problems related with the operations. First one is delays in production. The process must be dealt with precious and extensive planning to prevent delay. The material also should reach the factories on time that they can manufacture and deliver the orders without delay. Omega Line didn't have a specific tracking system of goods that manually enter the data from the supplier and warehouse managers till now. Early delivery of raw materials. Supplier miscommunication and production delay leads to early delivery of raw material. Key supplier of Omega Line is from Italy. So the unclear communication channel makes ineffective decisions on material delivery. Each delivery of raw materials can become a problem as they need to clear out their storage facilities before receiving additional shipments. They will also need to pay extra to rent in its storage facility. Keep checking this quantity through documents only. Third one is production defects. Defects may lead to a wastage of raw materials and time. Errors also raise the need for additional staff to fix them. An extended crew is often brought to inspect each batch of products for defects. To manage these defects in the manufacturing process, brands tend to pay huge sum of money and they will have incur of loss of damaged products. Final one is flexibility of production process. One of the most tried and tested way to reduce production mistakes is to have a flexible production process. For instance, companies must have other options if the fabric required for the production is not in the market is unavailable. A flexible production cycle means less pressure on the people involved in the manufacturing process. Flexibility allows companies to accept their mistake and focus more on solving their issues rather than the panicking deadlines. Then Anparsi will continue. Anbu?
Thank you, Vinaya. If we take ERP system driven approach to reduce the identified issues, first one, delays in production. Implement an ERP system that includes a supply chain module to manage and optimize the procurement process. Example ERP system, SAP, Oracle, Cloud ERP. Second one is early delivery of raw materials. Utilize the ERP system to set up automated inventory management with reorder point triggers. Example ERP system, Microsoft Dynamics 365, Business Central or NetSuite. Third one, production defects. employee quality management and product lifecycle management modules within the ERP system. Example ERP system, IFS applications or Infor Cloud Suite Industrial, Sightline. Final one, flexibility of production process. Choose an ERP system with a flexible manufacturing module. Example ERP system, Plex Systems or Epicor ERP. Currently, the company employed SAP ERP system, IUNGO software used to deal with suppliers of Omega line. Thank you for your attention. Next, continue the presentation. I would like to invite Uzani. Uzani.
Thanks, Anparasi. I'm going to discuss how can Odoo ERP system can be employed as a solution for these problems. These are the process. Form a dedicated project team, select an experienced ERP vendor, provide comprehensive training for employees, monitor and optimize the system continuously, and maintain robust security. Implementing Odoo ERP in an organization for specific business objectives requires a structured approach. It starts with the thorough needs assessment, identify key requirements such as streamlined operations, cost control, and production efficiency. A dedicated project team, including project managers, IT experts, process owners, and end users, oversees the implementation process. Selecting an experienced ERP vendor like Odoo with the experience in the apparel industry ensures the alignment with unique needs when it comes to data integration, integrity maintenance, and comprehensive employee training are essential. Also, rigorous testing is critical to identify and rectify issues with gradual deployment as the system is fine-tuned. Additionally, track energy consumption and stay compliant with change in tax regulations using the ERP system, maintain security and encourage employee involvement in the system evaluation to meet the evolving business needs and objectives are also important. As following these steps to lead to the successful implementation of Odoo ERP will enhance the organizational operations. Now I'll invite Nimesha to conduct the conclusion.
Thank you, Shani. In conclusion, Omega Line Limited 3, a significant player in the Calisodia Group, specialized in producing high-quality apparel primarily for the European market. The company's vision emphasizes sustainability and care of both people and the environment, with the mission centered around maintaining product quality, enhancing employee skills, and improving internal efficiency. Current challenges facing the organization include delays in production due to manual tracking of goods, early delivery of raw material causing storage congestion and additional cost, production defects leading to waste, additional expenses, and the need for a more flexible production process. To address these challenges, an ERP-driven approach is proposed implementing to the Odoo ERP system can provide the solution to the streamline operations, control cost, improve production efficiency, manage inventory, enhance supply chain management, and offer robust financial and customer relationship management. It can also help monitor employee productivity, reduce energy cost, manage tax complaints, provide business intelligence, ensure mobility and accessibility, support scalability, and offer training and support. Odoo's versatile ERP system is well studied to address these issues, offering modules and customization capabilities that align with the organization's goals. While other ERP systems are mentioned as examples, Odoo stand out as a cost-effective alternative for improving manufacturing and production process within Omega Line Limited 3. So this is the end of our presentation. Thank you for joining with us.